Students, today in English, we shall learn a new chapter 2.2, the worth of a fabric. Worth means value and fabric means cloth produced by weaving or knitting textile fibers. Introduction. Thiruvelluvar was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. He was the greatest scholars in the Nanda dynasty of the north. His books of teachings, the Thirukural, is considered to provide a guide for human morals and betterment in life. Summary. Thiruvelluvar was a weaver. Weaver is a person who weaves fabric. He wove beautiful fabrics. He never lost his temper, means he never got angry. There was a young man who was very rich and thought he was too smart. One day he tried to make Velluvar angry by picking up a beautiful piece of fabric and tearing it into pieces. He was surprised that Thiruvelluvar smiled instead of getting angry. Instead, he explained to the rich young man how long it had taken to make the fabric, and when the fabric was destroyed, the love and labor that went into making the fabric were destroyed. Now, handlooms. What are handlooms? Handlooms are the equipment for weaving which are operated manually. That means where manpower is needed. Whereas power looms. Power looms are powered by water, steam or electricity, that is based on machines. He explained that if ever life were torn apart, it would be destroyed forever. The young rich man learnt a lesson and gave up his bad ways. Now let us read the lesson and try to understand it. Thiruvelluvar was a great Tamil saint poet who lived more than 2000 years ago. Thirukural is the book of his teachings. It is greatly loved and respected even today. Thiruvelluvar was a textile weaver. He wove beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. People said that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. That means he had lots of patience and he was calm by nature. In the same town, there lived a rich young man. He wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends. They often made fun of other people. He did not do any work. It is rightly said that empty mind is devil's workshop. So he made fun of other people as he had no work. I don't believe what people say about this Velluvar, said the young man one day. I am sure I can make him angry. Come on, let's have some fun today. So the arrogant is the person who feels superior. So the arrogant young man approached Thiruvelluvar in the market and picked up a beautiful piece of fabric. How much does this whole fabric cost? He asked. 8 coins. The saint named the price. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into two. That means he made 2 pieces of the fabric. What's the price of this piece now? 4 coins. The saint answered politely. The youth was taken aback. Means he was shocked that he doesn't get angry. Why doesn't the man get angry? He thought. He then tore the half pieces into half again. Means he tore those 2 pieces into 4. And now 2 coins was the answer. Now it was the young man who became impatient and agitated. Agitated means he became nervous. He tore the pieces into half again and again, saying, "And now, what's the price now?" Thiruvelluvar calmly went on reducing the price to half every time. Calmly means peacefully, silently, and reducing means making less. At last, the fabric was reduced to rags. So, Thiruvelluvar said in a quiet tone, "Now, this fabric has become worthless." Worthless means useless. "I will not name any price for these rags." The young man did not know what to say, but he was proud of his riches. So he offered to pay 8 coins to the saint. For the first time, Thiruvelluvar smiled, but he refused to take the money. He did not take the money. "Young man, now this fabric is of no use. It has become worthless. Why? Because no one will be able to wear it now. It has become so small that no one can use it or wear it." So Thiruvelluvar explained him the process of making a fabric. "Do you know, the fabric was not made in a day. Many people have toiled to make it." Toiled means worked hard. The farmer who grew cotton in his field worked hard for months through sun and rain. He picked cotton from each boll. Boll means pod of the cotton plant, and gave it for spinning. Spinning means the process of making yarn or thread out of cotton. Then someone else carded. Carded means cleaned and combed cotton to remove the seeds. The cotton and spun it into long, uniform threads. The threads were dyed carefully. Dyed means colored carefully, so that they took on these lovely colors. My wife and I wove the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. We thought someday someone will like this fabric, will be happy to wear it. Now let's see the process of making a fabric. The farmer grew cotton in his field. He picked the cotton from each boll. He gave it for spinning. The threads were made. The threads were dyed. Dyed means colored. Thiruvelluvar and his wife wove the threads together into beautiful designs, and this is how the fabric was made. Cotton bolls in the cotton field. Spinning wheel where the yarn or thread is made from the cotton. Fabric dye. The cloth is dyed, that is colored. The example of fabric pens which are used nowadays to color fabric or cloth. Stitching. The cloth is stitched and you get beautiful dresses. Thiruvelluvar further explained the rich man that money cannot bring the hard work and great efforts which they had taken to make the beautiful fabric. That all our work would have been rewarded. When you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love and labor that went into its making. Money cannot bring it back. The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart. Now he was really ashamed of himself. He felt guilty of his actions of tearing and destroying the fabric. And do you know, Thiruvelluvar went on to say, I can view another fabric like this. But our life is also like this fabric. If you tear it apart with hasty, thoughtless actions, it will be destroyed and you will not get it back again. Thiruvelluvar's words opened the young man's eyes. There and then, that means that time itself, he decided to give up his idleness, that is laziness and bad habits. So, always be kind to others and appreciate their hard work. For example, your parents who work hard for you. Respect their hard work and be nice to everyone. Thank you for watching the video.